welcome to my channel all about decoupage. Hi, I am Veronica and I'm teaching you all the ways of decoupage style. Today we're gonna do a cute Christmas ornament set. Are you ready? Let's get started. For this project I've chose MDF ornament. I painted it with white paint and I painted it 3 times. I didn't paint the front of the ornament whole, just the part that is showing, because the frame will go on the ornament as well. The small ornament I painted whole. Also I painted the frame of the ornament. I chose rice paper and these 2 images. I think they are elves, but I am not sure, and 1 plate rice paper design. I cut out the elves with water pen because I never cut out my images with scissors. If you don't have water paint, just use water and small brush. Since this design goes on a flat surface, you don't have to tear it up in some places, so I just applied some decoupage glue under the image of rice paper and then I seal it on top of it with more decoupage glue. Same with the small ornament. The frame of the ornament, I just applied glue onto the ornament and then I applied the plate rice paper onto it and press it very good, making sure there are no wrinkles as it was lying down. I cut out a little bit of the excess of the rice paper so I can handle it better before continuing with it. The middle part I cut out with X-Acto knife. And I actually use the cutout part to put on the small ornament because it was the perfect fit. Then I seal the frame with decoupage glue. If you don't have decoupage glue, just use Mod Podge. Here are the paints I use to blend into my design. As you can see, I go onto the rice paper itself for better blending. Make sure to paint it onto the frame. With small brush, white paint and water, I applied a little bit of dots on the ornaments. Let it all dry. Then I use Decoupage glitter glue to seal it. You don't have to use this step if you don't have glitter decoupage glue. To seal it all, I use pouring glaze. Of course, you can use varnish as well. I applied 4 layers of the glaze, let it dry between each layer. The ornament then looks more glass looking. On the other side of the large ornament, I also applied rice paper in the plate design. After it was dry, I just cut it out and sand off any excess. If you like these kinds of video, please do subscribe to my channel. Do give me a thumbs up or comment. Now it's time to glue our ornaments together. So the frame with the ornament, for this I used express glue from Pentard. Make sure you lie your pieces the way they should be. So I am here very careful because usually sometimes I make a mistake and then I cannot fix it after drying. Then I went ahead and fixed them with some paper clips. Of course, if you don't have paper clips, use books, but make sure you don't move your design. On the side of the ornament, I just use a little bit of foil. First, I applied the glue. Let the glue dry until it is transparent, and then go ahead and apply the foil. After applying the foil, brush off any excess of the foil. The foil can be reused, so don't throw it away. Use a container like I do. All material will be put in description below, so make sure to check it all out. If I cannot find the exact material, I will put something very similar to it. And if you don't want to make them, you can just go ahead and pop over to my Etsy shop and you can check some ornaments over there. For a little bit of 3D effect, I used this 3D pen from Pentart and I just applied a little bit on it on the gift ribbon or bow, I would say. I didn't have a matching ribbon, so I made myself one that matches my design. So I just took off a little bit of paint and just put it all over the ribbon I had, let it dry. The other ribbon, I just applied a little bit of the glue onto it, let it dry until it was transparent, and then I applied the same foil I applied on the sides of the ornament. Last step for me was to put ribbon on the ornaments themselves. You don't have to do it if you don't want to put ribbon on your ornaments. And here they are, all finished cute elves ornaments, rustic style, simple and easy to do. If you like this tutorial, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do give me a thumbs up or a comment. Thank you so much for watching and let me know what's your Christmas theme this year. Until next time, bye!